Hello everybody. Today in this video I am going to tell you about neem cake and neem. Neem cake is the de-oiled residue of neem seeds. Once the seeds are crushed and neem oil is removed, what we are left with is called the neem cake. It is a very good source for organic NPK and is widely used to fertilize various crops. तो बेसिकली हमने नीम सीड्स ली, उनको क्रश करा, उसमें से नीम ऑयल को रिमूव करा एंड देन व्हाट वी आर लेफ्ट विद इज कॉल्ड नीम केक. This is photograph of neem cake. Neem cake is basically obtained from neem plant. What is neem cake used for? Neem cakes can be used for many purposes, but mainly as an organic fertilizer to enrich the soil. As neem is organic, it adds nutrients to the soil very slowly, so the plants can absorb them and very little nutrients are wasted. Next, how to make neem cake. People collect neem seeds from the trees. The neem seed kernels are then crushed and neem oil is extracted. The de-oiled residue of these seeds is called neem cake. They are high in NPK and also can be used to kill harmful nematodes. Please remember that all nematodes are not harmful. To use this strategy wisely. Here if I want to discuss about why that neem cake is used as an organic fertilizer, because of various micro and macronutrients which it is composed of. Okay, now if anyone have the question that what is the meaning of kernel and nematodes. Kernel, the essential part of a seed or anything included in a shell, husk or integument as the kernel of a nut. Now, what is nematodes? Nematodes, also called roundworms, comes under phylum Nematoda. Now, if we talk about neem cake as organic fertilizer, since very early in India, बहुत पुराने टाइम से इंडिया में नीम आर बीइंग यूज्ड एज अ नेचुरल फर्टिलाइजर. ठीक है, वो नेचुरल फर्टिलाइजर की तरह यूज होता है. It had become very popular due to its dual impact of soil enhancer as well as pest repellent. तो इसके ड्यूअल इम्पैक्ट हैं. ठीक है, एक तो वो सॉइल एनहांसर तो है ही है और पेस्ट रिपेलेंट भी है. ठीक है, सो इट हैज़ ड्यूअल इम्पैक्ट. द केक्स एज वेल एज नीम लीव्स आर यूज टू फर्टिलाइज the soil and to improve soil quality. Why is neem cake used as a fertilizer? There are two main reasons. So there are two main reasons why neem cake is used as a fertilizer. Okay. Firstly, it is filled with various micro and macronutrients. Okay, previously I have also told about this. Unlike a chemical fertilizer, it releases those nutrients slowly into the soil, so the plants have enough time to use them in nutrition. Secondly, it reduces soil-based pathogens and nematodes and work as a natural pest controller. So how it works? It works as a natural pest controller. Okay, so these are the two main reasons why neem cake is used as a fertilizer for plants. This is the neem cake product in the market. Okay, these neem cake products are available in the market. Neem cakes and urea. Neem oil cakes have many different nutrients, NPK and micronutrients, and produce a better yield than urea. They block soil bacteria from releasing nitrogen gas. What they do? They block soil bacteria from releasing nitrogen gas. Thus, it extends the availability of soil nitrates to both short duration and long duration crops. So, what does they do? They block soil bacteria from releasing nitrogen gas. Okay. So, what does it do? It extends the availability of soil nitrates. Okay. Now, you can also mix neem seed cakes with urea or any other fertilizers which have nitrogen. It will increase their efficiency by reducing their nitrogen releasing rate. तो कैसे उनकी efficiency बढ़ा रहा है? वो उनके nitrogen releasing rate को reduce कर रहा है. Okay, so the fertilizers remain in the soil for much longer. Neem cakes and nematodes. Now they have talked about neem cakes and nematodes. Neem seed cakes are very useful in controlling nematode population. It is also effective against many soil pathogens. Neem seeds and cakes contain isoprenoids, which are nematicidal in nature. Different types of neem cakes. देखो, neem cakes can be found in many forms. Here are some of the most common types: fertilizer, powder, granules, manures. Okay, now a neem seed cake is natural nematicide, a gift for vegetable crops. This is the powdered form of neem cake. Okay, now how to apply neem cake to plants. अब कैसे अप्लाई करें हम नीम केक को प्लांट्स में, ठीक है. सो when you are plowing your field, okay, when you are plowing your field for the first time, apply 30 to 40 grams of neem oil cake per plant. Subsequently, you will have to add 10 to 20 grams of neem cake powder as per the plant's need. ठीक है. Next, you can also mix the cake with soil and apply it on and around the roots of the plants. Now, the question arises that how much neem cake to use. The best time to apply neem cake is before planting. Wait for 3 to 4 weeks after applying the cakes for planting seeds or transplanting anything. Next, you can apply 1 lb of neem cake to fertilize 20 square feet of area. Mix the neem cake thoroughly with soil and apply it at a depth of 6 inches. Make sure the soil receives enough water. Okay, make sure that the soil receives enough water. Now, how to use neem cake for potted plants. Okay, जो potted plants हैं उसमें कैसे यूज़ करना है हमें neem cake. For potted plants, take the neem cake powder and sprinkle it on the topsoil. Then stir with a stick along with the topsoil for uniform distribution. ठीक है, ताकि उसका uniform distribution हो जाए. Use neem cake only once a month. Okay. So here this is the photograph which shows that neem cake used in potted plant. Okay. Now, benefits of using neem cakes. It is an excellent organic soil amendment. It enriches the soil and can be used as other soil conditioners. Next, neem cakes are organic and natural substances. Yes, they are organic and natural substances. They are biodegradable. What do you mean by biodegradable? That they are capable of being decomposed and thereby avoiding pollution. So thereby they are avoiding the pollution. Okay, so it's a very major benefit of it. It is chemical free. Okay, then next, you can mix them with other organic fertilizers. Yes, we have studied earlier. Neem cake is a natural nitrification inhibitor. Yes, we have this, all this we have studied earlier. How does it do? It increases the availability of nitrogen. They improve the texture of your garden soil. Now next, their organic nature and water holding capacity also help to keep the soil aerated. ठीक है, तो उसका ऑर्गेनिक नेचर जो है और जो उसकी जो वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी है वो क्या करता है, सॉइल को एरेटेड रखता है. दिस इज़ अ मस्ट फॉर बेटर रूट डेवलपमेंट. और ये क्या है, बहुत ही मस्ट है बेटर रूट डेवलपमेंट के लिए. नाउ द कॉन्सेप्ट वी स्टडी अबाउट. ठीक है, तो जस्ट बिफोर यू जम्प टू द conclusion, here are few points you should consider. Use caution while applying neem cakes in potting mixes. Don't use more than 1%. Okay, why? Because it can cause a lack of seed germination or stunt young plants. Okay, now next, botanical insecticides such as neem are allowed in organic production, but like any other, you should use them only as a last option. Although this is natural, okay, it sometimes may harm some beneficial insects. Now if I come to my previous slide, here this photograph shows that neem is a wonder plant. And yes, neem is the wonder plant. So something I want to tell you about neem. Okay, So neem is a short tree with a neem is a stout tree with a rather short stem. Okay. Secondly, they are native to India and other southeastern countries. Okay. A neem tree generally grows up to 12 to 15 meters. They are best known for their medicinal properties. Now, if we see that what is the scientific name? Its scientific name is Azadi recta indica. Okay, Azadi recta indica. And what is the common name? Common name is neem, limba, or nimba. Okay, and then neem extracts work as basis for preparing industrial products. Yes. Then next, neem oil is used as pesticide. यस नीम ऑयल जो है वो हमारे पेस्टिसाइड की तरह यूज़ हो रहा है. वो नीम ऑयल जो है हमारा एक्सीलेंट पेस्ट रिपेलेंट भी है. ओके, सो इट ऑल्सो प्रिवेंट्स एनी टाइप ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस टू पेस्ट. ओके, सो here this I have completed my video. I hope you like this video and hope that this video will help you. Please like and subscribe this video for more similar videos on biology. Thank you.